discipline when things are going well for us, how are we ever going to have discipline when things are going hard? Daniel had to balance prayer with a death sentence over his head. Did you know Moses was an 80-year-old man before he started building his faith muscles? We're going to learn about a dark time in King David's life where God had to teach David agility the hard way.